Hi guys, Stu here from Main Street Mower, and I'm back with another new STIHL product. This is a dedicated edger in their AK battery family, and this box is a kit that comes battery and charger. You can buy this unit, single unit, for $329. You can buy it as a bundle for $479, like this bundle here. So if you check out this cool printed box, it's got all the important details on it. Right here you have some details that give you some cool stats on this. One, it comes standard with the AK30. That's the biggest battery in the STIHL AK family. It's rated at 4.8 amp hours, and it says that it'll run for 30 minutes on a charge with this battery, which 30 minutes is plenty of time to do your yard. I do my driveway and sidewalk in 10 minutes or less at home. Okay, beyond that, there's a little emblem here that says made in the USA of US and foreign materials. That's super cool. And also a little emblem that says 3-year warranty. So that would include the unit and the battery. Let's take a look. All right, NAL 101. You may be adding just another one of these to your collection at this point. An AK30 battery. This is a big battery. Handle's already attached. I like it right there. Very simple setup on one of these. So we got an edger blade, we got this locking pin, we got a pair of safety goggles, a T-wrench, a manual. All right, so let's put this blade on. We've showed you how to do this a zillion times. We'll spare you today. I like to drop this wheel down in the lowest setting with the new blade especially. Let's get a look at this motor. Oh, it looks pretty. It looks like the KMA 80 engine, and it also has some of the same trigger features that we've seen already on the KMA 80R and the KMA 120R. Very simple handle. It has a low power setting and a high power setting. Just easy to know how that works. And then it has an ambidextrous safety, so whether you're right or left-handed, there's a spot for your thumb. And then the battery is shaped like a trapezoid, so there's no confusing which way this goes in here. It's very clear, spring-loaded, and clicks down nice like that. All right, I'm gonna hit the trigger. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah. All right, that's the low power setting. This is going to be the high. Sounds pretty strong. All right, guys, that is it. That's the FCA 80. Cool new product. It's got a good price tag, and these are available in STIHL dealers now. If you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell because these are coming out every week, typically on Friday. Also, look up in the corners of your screen now, and there's probably a suggested video that you'll like to transition to. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.